Right everybody, I'm back on Big Ford and I've just been finishing this patch off here that I told you. You've obviously seen. Oh, I've put it. Oh, it's over there. I've cleaned it up. It's that my last apron I'm putting on, you'll see that welded on in a bit. But I've had to obviously do this underneath. I've got a little bit of a problem here, a bit of it all, but to be quite honest, it is not that detrimental what it is. It's so slight. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to proper clean round it with die grinder, and I'm going to just try and buzz it round with mix. So that'll be that out of way. I don't want to go too mad there, to be honest. I don't want to cut all this out just for the sake of that, so I'll get it another way. But that's now up to there. I've slightly lowered that, and also I've doubled up on this corner. I'm just showing you here. The reason I've doubled up on this corner, they get a lot of stress here. So that doubling up there, just on this stress point, will probably stop that. And I've also lowered that slightly away from screen cut. So when this goes in, it's in a different place. Which, I don't know if you've seen this, if I showed you this. But this piece is made for here. And I made this to eliminate all lead that's around here. So everything's going in the right direction. That hole here is a proper culprit. That's where it clipper rotted out, water's going through, and it's just ruined this. Same as this one, and same as this, but they're getting patched up now. So we're just wading through, but I'm just fetching her in and out as I'm going. It's just a job, I suppose. I know some people say, I don't know how you've got patience, but listen, if you want car right, as I've shown you, you'll see, I'll be welded up and keep fetching you back in. So fetch you back in shortly. Fetching all back in now. I've got this all welded on, all done. I obviously repaired that, and I've put this piece in here, rectified slot there, couple of little small repairs here and here. You don't have to be super clean and neat and tidy in here. Don't forget you got your screening, got to get your clips back on. But just the important thing is it's completely sealed up and sorted out. So that's a bit more. We'll get closure plate on next. So, and then we should be something like what we should be. That should go under there. Something like that. That's the theory. There we are. And then drip comes down. Put gutter back in down here. And we're a bit more nearer. So, there's light at end of tunnel. I'll keep fetching you back in anyway.